Just a quick unboxing of some cheap stuff I bought again. It got loaded into an easy box, which is like a bunch of mailboxes somewhere in public where you can access it through a QR code or PIN code, and you take it out, and it's cheaper this way and faster. They don't have to bring the package home. Just unload all the packages at the and put them in mailboxes in one place. So let's see what's inside. Oh, they put it all in one. What? So I got a car charger, a network cable extender. It has plugs on each side and you can make two cables into one, and a simple 1 amp 5 volt charger. These were all $1. No, this was $1.50, and this was like 20 cents. Yeah, cheap Chinese, but in local stores it costs at least $1, so it's almost five times cheaper this way from this company. And they vacuum sealed it. That's interesting. How do you open this? No. Oh, it's just a simple zip log. How do you call it? So this is very crappy. Oh yeah, this was less than $1. This is the crappy one. I thought I ordered the double one. So this is just 1 amp 5 volts, and it's really crappy. Crappy reviews online. Okay. This doesn't even have writing on it. Maybe on the bottom. It's not really readable. It's a model number. Oh, here it says output 5 volt 1 amp. And there's even a foil on it. Let's take it off, if we can. Nope. Whatever. You just pull it off, okay. Yeah, but it's all scratched up. I don't know why they put it in a foil. That's stupid. It may be not new. Whatever, I don't care. And this, and I also bought a mouse. It should be here. In the package, stuck. Oh, and damaged. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Whatever, let's just take it out. Yeah, it survived. It's a basic USB mouse, kind of dusty. For $2, I think it's a pass. Yeah, quality check pass. So yeah, it's a standard optical mouse with small feet. This, I needed it for a project. It will be a wireless mouse with also 2 buttons here for back and forward, or programmable, or whatever. I have a broken Logitech mouse. I mean the exterior is broken. It's used, and it can be used like that again because it's all falling apart. And I will transfer the electronics into this probably. I wouldn't use it like this. It has a crappy cable and crappy feeling buttons. Too hard to press. The new electronics have much better buttons and scroll. Okay, so that's all I had in this package for a couple of dollars. Like this. I think it was worth it. But we'll see in teardown videos soon.